This is part 2 of our 3-part whiteboard series on IT user experience. In case you missed the first video where I shared why IT user experience matter, check out the link below. In this video, I'll be outlining how to use IT experience data to prioritize your actions so that they will have the greatest business impact. To do this, we will need to consider the 2 dimensions of experience. A, satisfaction, how well your IT service is performing, and B, influence, which IT services your end users care about most. Now, most people are familiar with the satisfaction score, CSAT. However, the influence score is an entirely new concept for most. Let's say you run a restaurant and you want to understand what contributes most to the overall experience of different types of diners. You ask 2 different groups of people, what was their overall experience like? For example, co-workers attending an office party, say it was great, but a couple on a romantic dinner say it was poor. You want to understand what in particular made each of these groups have such a different overall experience. So if you ask a few more questions, the food, okay for the party, good for the couple. Value and service, both good. The ambience, great for the party, thanks to the loud music, but very poor for the couple because of the noise level. Each group wanted different things, and it was clear that the ambience was a very important feature of their visit. In other words, high influence. The restaurant can benefit from this learning by taking actions in future, such as seating the couples in a quiet room or targeting more parties for weekend nights. You can do the same for IT services. Plotting these 2 scores, satisfaction and influence, for each IT service on a prioritization matrix allows you to fully visualize which services need to be prioritized. IT services in the top left quadrant have low satisfaction scores and have a high influence on overall experience. We call these burning platforms, and you need to give them urgent attention. IT services on the top right hand side of the quadrant have both high satisfaction and high influence. We call these delighters and should be celebrated and rewarded. IT services in the bottom row are dissatisfiers or satisfiers. In our experience, if the dissatisfiers are neglected, they do tend to escalate. So that's the primer on how you prioritize using IT user experience data. In my final video in the series, I'll be sharing how you shape a user-centric IT roadmap, and just as importantly, how to communicate it in a way that resonates with your business. If you like them delivered straight to your mailbox, sign up to our newsletter. See you next time.